Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have new fidgets in my collection, and yes, they are Christmas themed. And I am wearing my Christmas shirts to match with it. I have a stress ball that is a snowman with a red scarf. I have another one with a red scarf. And I have two more that has green stick with it. These are my favorite. Like, the stress balls are my favorite with it. I have a stocking poppet. This one is also my favorite by far in my pile. I have a bell poppet. Comment down below if they have any more Christmas poppets out or Christmas fidgets out, like every year. I even have emojis with it. I don't know if they count as fidgets or what, because they was with the fidget stuff at the store. I have the one with the snowman with the lights. I believe this one is a moon with a candy cane. I have a reindeer, and comment down below if this is a snowman or Santa Claus. This one is my favorite because it has a snowflake with a panda. Comment down below if this is a panda or a snowman, because to me it looks like it's both. I have a stocking, and comment down below if you know what this one is, because I have no idea what this one is. I have a Santa hat with a Christmas tree. I have another snowman with a snowflake in one. I have a Christmas tree with a reindeer. I have Santa with his sack for the toys. And I have a snowman, or I don't know what this one is, with a light bulb. And yes, with the last ones I found at the dollar store for like $1.25. With these ones, same thing, dollar store for like $1.25. Look at there. And with the poppets, it was at Myers for only $3. My favorite out of the whole entire pile that I have, if I have to just pick three, it would be this, it is like kind of hard for me to pick because I like all of them. This one. And one of the stress balls that I have. And with these ones, you can get different ones into it. I tried to find all the Christmas ones for it, but I don't know if I have all the Christmas ones for these ones, or if there's more. But comment down below if you know if there's more of these for the Christmas theme, or if I collect all of them. Comment down below which one is your favorites out of the whole entire pile that I have. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, And I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.